Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to TopTech. Today we are checking out some cool gadgets and accessories for your home and office. So let's quickly get started. We're starting off with these conversion wall sockets. Now these are standard 3-pin sockets that convert Indian style sockets into 10 amp universal sockets. And with this you can plug in any type of plug into this. The best thing about this is that the whole thing rotates. So once you've plugged in your cord, you can rotate the socket 90 degrees on either side. This will help you navigating into tight spaces, or if two plugs are connected together and they don't plug in properly, this is great for that. This is also compact and it is a universal conversion, and in certain cases plugs fit better into these type of sockets. So great, and it comes in a pack of 3 for a rather affordable price. Can come in really useful if you have a lot of gadgets and a lot of accessories which do have a lot of different plugs. Go check it out, we'll have it linked in the description below. Next up, we're checking out these LED lights. Now these are sensor based LED lights that detect motion and light, and they come with a rechargeable battery which charges over USB. It can last up to 8 hours on a full charge, and in standby mode it'll work up to 3 to 4 months depending on how frequently you turn it on. It has a smart sensor in the front which automatically detects movement, and it'll turn on the light in that scenario. Now these are magnetic and come with mounts, so you can attach them magnetically to the mounts, or if you need to carry it for some additional light as a light source, you can do that as well. Pretty smart sticks, go check them out. Next up, we have another sensing gadget. Now this is an automatic tap sensor. This basically attaches to an existing faucet or a tap and converts that into a sensor based tap. This is rechargeable via micro USB, and it has a long lasting built-in battery, and it also comes with a lot of adapters to attach to any kind of tap. It has 2 modes, one with which you can just simply bring your hands in front of the tap and it'll turn on, and when you remove your hands it'll turn off, and the other mode is a non-stop mode where you swipe your hand on the right of the sensor and it turns on the tap, and then until you swipe your hand again it'll keep the tap on. Go check it out, we'll have it linked in the description below. Next up, we're checking out this display cable. Now this is a braided display cable with a right angled connector which can be convenient for a lot of situations, especially if you have a laptop that charges over USB-C. It's got 2-sided USB-C and it supports up to 100 watts, and it's available in various sizes of a short 1-foot size all the way up to a 10-foot size. The braiding on this is also of high quality and the end caps are made out of metal. The display shows the wattage that is being transferred through the cable so that you can make sure that your devices are charging at their maximum potential. A pretty good quality cable, we'll have it linked below. Next up, we're checking out this USB desk fan. Now this is a compact and really quiet desk fan that can be moved around as per your requirement. It has a flexible neck which allows you to point it in both the forward and the backward direction, and it also can increase the height of the fan quite a lot. It also has a built-in reservoir which allows you to fill it up with water and also enable mist so that you can have mist along with your fan, which will be really useful in these summer months where the summers are really dry, and this also gives you a little bit of a cooling effect. Now this does have 3 speeds for the fan itself, and you can have the fan on or off without the misting, and you can have the misting on or off without the fan itself. It's powered by a USB cable and it is included inside the box. Next up, we're checking out this LED light. Now this is a rechargeable LED light which can be used as an emergency lamp or a work lamp, and this has 2 types of light modes. So you have a built-in flashlight, and then you also have a COB light, which is this large light area which lights up. Now this charges via USB-C, and it also has a built-in solar panel which is great for when you're traveling or if you're on the go and you want to have this charge up. It charges directly in the sunlight or with any strong light source as well. What's great in it is that there is also a hook which allows you to hang this light anywhere, and there are also really strong magnets which allow you to mount it anywhere and position it as a work lamp. When you're buying this, don't forget to apply the 50% coupon that is available at the time of buying. All you need to do is click this little box over here and you get straight 50% off. Now this is a limited deal, so go click on it and get this at a really discounted price. It has a massive built-in 5000 mAh battery, and this can also be used as a power bank. The main COB light also has 3 lighting modes, and you can also turn on a red light as well as a red flashing light to use as an emergency light. Go check it out, we'll have it linked in the description below. Next up, we're checking out this speaker and microphone combo. This is basically a karaoke kit that you can buy. Now this has a speaker which is a standard Bluetooth speaker, and it can be used as a Bluetooth speaker. I really like the design because it has a transparent see-through design and RGB light at the bottom, and you also have this smart handle that makes it easy to carry this around. You have physical buttons on the back that allow you to change between modes and also change tracks and increase, decrease volume and play, pause your music directly from this. Now this also comes with this mic combo which allows you to have karaoke on the go at any time. So all you need to do is connect with a device that has karaoke, so a television or even your smartphone, and you can have karaoke on the go. For the mic, you have several modes as well, and it can be a fun activity in the house or even in the office. Next up, we're checking out this small mist humidifier. Now this is a really smart humidifier which looks like a spaceship, and it also has built-in RGB lights. So once you fill it up with water at the bottom, you can also add essential oils, and then you have two modes. So you can have a continuous mist or an intermittent mist. The front opens up as a hatch and you can pull the astronaut out as well. It's pretty cool. It's a fun little humidifier, but more importantly, in this dry heat of the summer, it can come in handy for a lot of people. It works over USB-C and it includes a USB-A to USB-C cable inside the box. Next up, we're checking out this monitor fan, and now this is a really cool device which is a rechargeable fan, and not only can you hang it on top of your monitor, but you can also place it on the desk with this included desk stand, and it has rubber feet to allow you to attach it to the monitor quite easily, and then you have a switch to change between different modes. You also have a USB port at the back that allows you to recharge this, and you also have adjustment on the vent in the front to allow you to position the air directly onto your face. As a device to move air, it is rather quiet, and it has 4 small fans on the inside which move this air. It has a maximum 42 decibel rating at the highest setting, but only 25 decibel at the lowest setting, and it has a built-in 4000 mAh battery which can last you a full day, especially on low power. This can be a great add-on to increase the effectiveness of your air conditioning, or just as a cooling fan directly on your desk without taking any space, as it mounts on top of the monitor. Go check it out. We'll have it linked in the description below. Next up, we do have another fan, but this attaches inside your car and not on your monitor. This is a backrest fan which basically allows you to throw air to the back of your seat, which basically cools you down and acts like seat ventilation. Now, it's not going to be as effective as inbuilt seat ventilation that you get in modern cars, but this is a great way to improve the quality of your air conditioning and just have air move towards your back and basically cool you down better. Now it is powered by a USB, and it has this inline control which allows you to increase or decrease the speed of the fan and hence set it up as per your requirement. The cable is fairly long and you need to attach it to the metal rods of your headrest, and it includes a few attaching clips as well. This can be really useful in this summer heat where the air conditioning may not be as effective, and hence improve your comfort while you're driving. Go check it out. We'll have it linked in the description below. Now that completes our list for TopTech this time around. If you enjoyed it, smash like. But before you go, we do have a bonus item for you as well. This is a really cool mosquito repellent device. This one plugs in directly into the wall. It is small, it is compact, and it is half the price as well of what we've shown in the past. This has a built-in light which attracts the mosquitoes, and then it also has a electrocuting method which basically decimates the mosquitoes and gets rid of them. It is really useful and works really well. So go check it out. We'll have all the products listed in this video linked in the description below. If you enjoyed, smash like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.